Hello, all. Welcome to the English Fastlane. In this video, learn 50 essential English sentences used in daily life to help you speak fluently and confidently. From greetings and polite expressions to common phrases for travel, shopping, and work. This video has everything you need to boost your English skills. Okay, let's start. Good morning. How are you today? Hello. It's nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is John. What's yours? Where are you from? How old are you? I am 30 years old. What do you do for a living? I work as an engineer. It's great talking to you. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Excuse me, can you help me? I am sorry, I didn't understand. Could you repeat that, please? No problem. That's a very kind of you. May I ask you a question? Please wait a moment. I am glad to help. I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. What time do you usually get up? I have breakfast before going to work. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I take the bus to work. What do you usually do on weekends? I like to go shopping in my free time. I exercise every evening. What's for dinner tonight? I go to bed around 10 pm. How much does this cost? Do you have this in another size? Can I get the bill, please? I would like to order a coffee and a sandwich. Is this dish spicy? Do you accept credit cards? I'm just looking. Thank you. Can I get this to go? What's a special of the day? The food here is delicious. Could you tell me how to get to the airport? Is there a bus stop nearby? How long does it take to get there? Where can I find a taxi? Can you show me on the map? Is this seat taken? I'm traveling for vacation. What time does the train arrive? Could you recommend a good hotel? The view here is amazing.